Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Luna Classic Updates Thursday. I'm a little bit disappointed with Luna Classic. I didn't expect Luna Classic to do that to me. I mean, come on, man. What the hell is that, Luna Classic? That's unfair. That is unfair. That's totally unfair to me. Now, you might wonder what's going on. Yesterday, or when the crash was happening down to the green box, this little piece of, fill in the blanks yourself, is just went down for 1 or 2 seconds. I literally swear, dude, I opened up my phone. I was about to buy another bag of Luna Classic at this box when I saw it at 13,500. In mere few seconds, this thing was already trading back up to 16,000, and I got disappointed because I want to buy the lowest. I got disappointed. Now, is this the bottom? I cannot tell you. It seems like the bottom. It's also not the bottom. But I want to actually remove all the drawings because new patterns are going to be formed. The previous pattern was playing out for the whole month, and it's time to talk about the weekly time frame. So you do have 3 days to close the weekly, and it doesn't seem like we bottomed out just yet. It seems like we can still go lower, finally to 11,000. The reason being is the following. You do have this support resistance. Don't look at the 1 hour, don't look at the 4 hour or the daily. What we have is the weekly time frame, and the weekly time frame is that this was your level of support. It's simple support and resistance trading at the moment that I want to talk about. So you broke out of this level, but unfortunately you haven't closed the candlesticks just yet. You haven't closed. You have 3 days, 17 hours to close the candlestick. Okay. So what I mean by this is that if you end up closing above 20,000 by 3 days, then that was your bottom for me, because all you did is you made a wick down there and you didn't invalidate a bullish engulfing candlestick, and you also met the technical target. Genius. That's pretty genius. Look at that. You have a bullish engulfing, and I told you about the technical targets to go down there. You met the target, but on the weekly, it becomes only the wick down to the target, and then you close above here very quickly. Now, this gives me flashbacks of the time when on the 4-hour time frame I used to talk about Luna Classic previously. It did the same thing before as well. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, let me tell you what I'm talking about. Basically, we had previously this descending triangle. Let me show you that on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so you went down like this, you made that descending triangle. Now the technical target was supposed to be down at 7,600. So for some few days you were moving sideways. You made the wick down very quickly, all right, and then you moved back up, and then you just continue up. Something like that can be possible as well on the weekly. But this was on the 4-hour time frame, but this one can be on the weekly. But keep in mind, at the moment, even on the 4-hour time frame, this is a support and resistance trading at the moment. So if you look at it that way, you could say that this was your support right there, this was another support right over there, and now you've broken out of it. You come back for the retest. Can you break above it and close like this? That's your bottom. That for me is going to be a bottom. But at the moment, you haven't done that just yet. You can be rejected from here and continue lower. And we could even say that we're potentially looking for this top to the bottom again. And we could have a new technical target, by the way. We could have Luna Classic to go all the way. Look at that. Yes. 10,000, 11,000. So yeah, it's still in play because of that head and shoulder. The head and shoulder pattern technical target is not definitely met, but the green box that I was talking about is met. So I wouldn't be surprised if that's the end of it. But you gotta go step by step. Can you actually close above that area? Again, this is the green box we're talking about. Just right there, from 14,000 all the way to, let's say, 11,000 right there. Come on. Yeah, somewhere here. And from 14,000. Yep, this is the green box. And unfortunately, it didn't meet the target, but I still expect one more drop down here, and that to be a bottom, and that's what I'm gonna buy. I actually have a buying bid down there, 11,500 if you want to know. There you go. If it comes down there, I do have a buying bid. Congratulations. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.